All right, I think we are ready. Welcome today. Great crowd. Holy cow. I'm just going to get this out of the way real quick before you all sit here and go, do you think he knows he has this thing on his pants? I got here early and I was like, I'm going to wash my car. And I wanted to do it by the hand today, so I did the old triple foam. And I left and went, what in the world? So I have pink pants today. But that way nobody's sitting there going, you know. Everybody's like, so we just do that. We're very happy to be here today. This is kind of always the annual kickoff to our week of things. We have our show. We will be decorating the Methodist Church tomorrow night and getting ready for our show, which is next Friday and Saturday. We've been sold out since before Thanksgiving, so that's a really good feeling to not have to think about that kind of stuff. These kids have been working since right at the first part, right after Labor Day, first part of September, and they've given up their mornings to come in at least 3, if not 4 days a week. We've been coming in at 7 a.m. and rehearsing and getting ready for the show. So we're really excited. A lot of youth in this group this year. Some new faces to what's going on. I'll have them introduce themselves later on and just tell you what grade they're in so you can kind of get a feel and maybe where they're from. And we'll get that going. But we're going to start with the song that we will do our entrance with this year called The Star.